Akin na yan mo.
Shoutout daw sa mga viewers ko, May.
Hi, hello.
Batang Kalye PH.
Batang Kalye PH, subscribe lang kayo dito. Mag-iingat
Thank you,
kayo.
Mayor. Ayan na, shoutout na.
So sa inyo pong lahat, thank you for sharing this dream. Thank you for making it come true. And thank you for ensuring that our countrymen, wherever and whoever they are, will receive the best of care. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Meron lang pong konting lang sa mic. Maraming salamat, Director Gap Legaspi, for the wonderful message. Walang imposible sa gustong tumulong sa kapwa. Yun po yung mga gets ko dun sa message ni Director. So I think that's very important. So, ngayon naman po ating pakinggan ang mensahe mula sa Lupuyang Alkalde ng Lungsod ng Maynila, ating lolo, na patuloy na sumusuporta sa mga programang pangkalusugan, mga proyekto ng PGH mula sa mga Manileno. Honorable Isko Magoso Moro.
Mabuo kayo. Magandang umaga po at welcome back to Manila. Senator Bongo. Si Senator Bongo po ay napakaraming tinulungan sa Manila. Maybe kahit lamay. Simula sa lamay hanggang sa mga malalaking pangangailangan ng aming mga kababayan. I, for one, is a witness of it. So that's why, thank you very much. In fact, yung Malasakit Center, nag-umpisa sa kilometer 0. Dito yan sa Maynila. And Malasakit Center is now all over the country. And malaking bagay po yung ginawa ninyo noon na Senator. And we are on behalf of the people of Manila. Thank you very much sa inyo. Thank you. Ating partner, napakasipag, Doc Gap. Totoo po yung minsan pinagkukwento niya hanggang madaling araw kasi si Gap, kahit gabi pwedeng i-text o kahit early morning pwedeng tawagan. We always wanted to partners with the national government, especially nowadays in the case of City of Manila with our fiscal challenges. At I'm happy to our fellow Manileños. Ito yung totoong konsepto. Kapag iisa ang antena o frequency ng National Executive Body, National Legislative Body, and the local government, if they are in sync or in synchrony towards delivery of public service, ito po tayo ngayon. Ito yung resulta. Magkakasama-sama tayo. Mag-aalay tayo ng programa, I think, magiging kapaki-pakinabang sa ating mga mamamayan. Mandot pa sa may mga sakit. And this is our own little way of showing support to our partner, UPPGH, and to others. Basta ang importante, ang isang common is taong bayan. And showing also our commitment to continue to deliver on what I believe personally. Where should the government invest? And beyond. Literally and beyond. Minimum basic needs. Healthcare, education, housing, and jobs. That's where your city government is going. That's where your city government is going to spend every single cent. Pagpapataas ng antas ng pamumuhay ng tao. The quality of life. If we have roof, those who doesn't have, or mga mahihirap nating kababayan, maayos, matiwasay na bahay, as you have heard about Condominium 1, Condominium 2, Condominium 1, San Lazaro Residence, San Sebastian Residence, Pedro Hill Residence. These are 42 square meter, 2 bedroom. in-city vertical housing, and the Pasay community townhouse. And we're going to build, again, this coming first quarter of the city, of the 2026. So, kami excited. May nagkabulungan kami ni Gap kanina. I'm praying. Sana maging successful. I'm praying because with that success today, yawa ang Diyos, marami pang buhay ng madudugtungan ang UP PGH. Ang PGH itself as an institution will now be, imagine yourself, only God knows who's going to live or die. But you have now a tool, knowledge, practical experience na makapagdagdag ng buhay ng isang tao. Mailagay siya sa malusog na panahon. Kaya to the PGH community, rest assured that you have city government of Manila will work hand in hand with you. And thank you in advance. Kasi nag-umpisa na tayo doon sa aming sa hospital ng Maynila. Marami na kaming kasi ang Maynila President Gap, ang Manileño, President ka daw. Hindi naman din kung dapat nagpe-presidente. Yung mga Manileño, maraming may minahan. Sa dami ng minahal nila, may para mga puso nila. Kaya, dudut-dutin namin yun with your help, with science, equipment, skills, and for medical professionals. I'm really excited. I'm really excited to unclog PGH, to unclog Heart Center. That there is local government unit also investing in the same way that the national government hospital is doing. So, kapag nagtuloy-tuloy na yan, wala nang maiiwanan. Ay alam naman natin, yung mga ganong klaseng senaryo ay mga life-threatening situation ng mga kababayan natin. So, kaya thank you very much. Huwag niyo kami pabayaan ni Director Padilla. But rest assured, we are really, despite of cash trap kami, despite of all the problems, kapag hindi naman maubos ang problema. Kaya lang, mas marami yung pangarap namin kaysa sa problema. Kaya we are always focused. We don't want to be disturbed by noise. And magpatuloy kami mamumuhunan sa aming mga bahay pangkalusog. And today, we are grateful to Senator Bongo na kayo'y naglagay ng pondo ng mga panahon na yun. And maraming salamat kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. We give credit where it's due for supporting this program of PGH. In our own little way, dito, manawa na kayo dito. You can use it as long as you want. That may at least ease and give level of comfort to our patients. Especially, it will save some economic challenges of our constituents, and maybe those people who will come in and out of Manila because PGH is the best. They go to PGH. But later on, pag tinuruan nyo kami ng tinuruan na doktor, baka naman, magbubuti kami, gagaling din kami, masaya na kaming maging pangalawang magaling. Because the more, mas sumahaba ang kamay natin, mas marami tayong mayayakap. And that's, I think, the concept of public service. National and local, in synchrony, towards a particular common goal, which is public healthcare services. ito ang ginagawa. So, sa aming mga partners, sa mga gustong mag-donate, i-diretso na ninyo rito sa Balay Lingap. Dito nyo nadali. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Ako, sigurado ako, pag nag-donate kayo sa PGH, may kalalagyan. Ay, for one, testigong buhay. Talagang masisino at mainam na ginagastos. Sa mga mabubuting may puso, mabubuting puso na nakikinig at manonood, welcome kayo sa PGH. Medyo pa-slice naman kayo ng kaunti. And let's be man for others. Like, Father, sama pa, may sinabi sa Biblia, let your light shine for the greater glory of God. Tama ba yun? Okay. Pasensya ka na, English eh. But again, I am happy and grateful to PGH, kay Pangulong Duterte, kay Senator Bongo. We're happy to be partner, and rest assured, in the coming days, weeks, and months, for years, as long as I'm here, huwag kayong mag-alanganin na katukin kami, kasi kami ni Padilla, hindi kami mahihiyang katukin kayo. Magandang araw, pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Maraming salamat po.
Happy na siya.
Yorme, welcome back!
Thank you sa inyo, pati sa mga viewers nyo and followers nyo. Oh, marami na kayong aabangan.
Yes, excited
Handa na
na po
ba kayo
kami.
mapuyat?
Yes naman, Yorme.
Ano nga yung kulay ni Natin?